Hello everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Our topic today is about jewelry making. It's about beadworks, jewelry making. So today I'm going to show you how to create an earring with the use of a recycled old buttons. Okay, so this is our main materials, is an old buttons. And we need this nail polish, the green, the mint green, and the silver. This is the glitters. This is optional, you can use this glitters, but I need to use this green glitters, the powder. We need this jewelry wire, this is 0.6 mm, and we need these primary tools, the pliers, the plait, the cutter, and the long nose. And we have these beads. We need 2 pieces of silver, 1 medium pearl beads, white, and the big one. Okay, because we are going to create like this type of earrings. Okay, you can see. So I will put it here so that you can see. Then in making a jewelry, you have to use the correct or the proper tools. This one is the primary tools in creating a fashion or real gold jewelry. And if you are going to use like this type, a very thick wire, this is a silver plated, this is the gauge is 1.0 mm and more strong, so you can use the hard, also the better cutter. Okay, so if you're going to use a very fine wire like this is a gold plated 0.4 mm. This is a very fine, so you have to use the small pliers. Okay, this is gold wire, this one, this is long nose, this is the cutter, and this is the pliers. Oh, this is the flat one, the presser. So let's start. I'm going to start now. This is our wire. Okay, I'm going to create like this chain, so I have to put first the pearl beads inside. Look at here, this one. So we have to create a loops. Look at here, bend like this and bend towards outside like this, and look at here, it looks like a letter V. Okay, so in the center of this letter V, you have to make a loops like this. You have to roll it like this, make a circle like this. We call this one as a loops like this. Okay, and bring these beads on the tip so that these loops serve as the stopper of the bead, so that the beads will not come out. And then from this portion, look here, hold here and wrap around on the back side of the beads and transfer your pliers, this long nose, to the center and wrap around into twice, 1, 2. Okay, and cut this one here, cut this portion with the use of the cutter. Okay, and when you cut it, you have to press the tip of the wire by the use of this presser to press the wire. Okay, so you have already here. So we will create the same thing. We will put these beads, the silver beads, on the wire. Okay, and and this one we have to insert into the wire. Okay, look at here. So here on the tip of this wire you have to make a loops, the same procedure, bend towards outside and looks like a letter V. Okay, so in here bring this chain, put it here. Okay, and this tip of the long nose put in the center and wrap around 1 2. Okay, so looks like this. So hold here and press this wire to form into straight. Look at here, and you can see this portion there is a small wire like this one, this one. We have to hide this one and press like this, and we will put inside of these next beads. Okay, so that the tip of the wire will be hide inside, so you can see. And from here and hold here and wrap around into twice, 1 2. Okay, and cut again. So look at here. So you cut the tip of this wire. Okay, so this is a step-by-step tutorial so that you will learn. So now we have already 2 chain already here, 2 beads with the loops, and you have to press the wire, the tip of the wire, so that it will not touch to your skin. So we have already 2 layer beads with the loops, and we have to insert again this big one. This is the third one. Look at here, and we have to insert this one, insert this chain into the wire, and the same thing, you have to make a loops, bend here and bend the other side towards outside, and the other side bend a little bit, and bring the chain on the center of this curve. Okay, and insert the tip of your long nose and wrap around 1 2. Okay, so this one, this tip of this wire, okay, let's see this, press it. Okay, and insert these beads into the wire, so that the wire will be, the tip of the wire will be hide. Okay, you can see we have already 3 layers beads, 3 layers chain. Okay, so we will make another loops here. Okay, so before we will make a loops here, we will insert this big buttons. These buttons I have already painted with this. I forget to tell you, I painted already this one, and I put these glitters. Okay, but this one, it looks like this before it. Okay, so this is it, then painted with this one and sprinkle with glitters. And now we will continue this one. We have to make a loops and bring this wire into the end of this pliers, so that the loops will look bigger. Okay, and we will do it like this. because we need a bigger loops so that the buttons can move, because the buttons is big. Okay, we need a bigger loops. So after this you have to wrap around 1 2. Okay, so we have already here, look, this one, it's already here, so we have to cut at the back side. Okay, and we will press the end of this wire, and we will adjust the loops so that the loops will become round. It's a rounded loops. You have to adjust the circle. Okay, now our earrings already like this. Okay, and we have to continue. We will put the silver beads on the wire, look at here, and insert these buttons and make a loops on it. Okay, make a big loops, hold from here on the tip, on the big parts of the loom nose, and form into a circle like this. Okay, and bend a little bit of it like this, look, and on the center you have to wrap around 1 2. Okay, and now we have already here, and this wire, look at here, the end of this wire, look in here, this one, press it and insert into the beads. Okay, since it is more big, you have to cut a little bit and insert into the silver beads, because these beads serve as the stopper. Okay, so we will use this pen and put it here. So by using your thumbnails and these nails, use it to press, put it here like this one press here, and the other side press and make a circle, press like this by your thumbnails, and the other side here to form a circle. Look at here. Okay. And look at here. Oh, you can see. So we have to cut in this portion. This is already our hook. Okay, this is already our earring, and we have to cut this portion here, look. And we have already an instant earring with the use of recycled buttons. So this is already our project. Look at here. This is an earring made from recycled buttons. Okay, so I hope you learn our project here. I hope you like it. This is on how to recycle old buttons. So this is the old buttons, and now this is the transformation of our buttons now, a dangling earring. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you learn how to create and transform the old buttons into a unique dangling earring. Okay, so give a thumbs up and please share this video to your friends. and please subscribe to S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Thank you for all your support, and keep watching so that you will be updated with my new project, and so that you will learn many things from S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Okay? Bye! Ciao! Maraming salamat! I will put here another side so that it will look beautiful. So this is already our project. Okay, thank you.